Welcome back to This Guy's Garage. Today we're going to show you how to make a patch for a repair on our 2005 Mustang. This is part of our community college series, Autobody 101. So the first thing you want to do is get a piece of metal, get it fit up over where you're making the repair. So we have a piece of tin right here. Now you can go about this one of two ways. You can scribe the inside line. You can take some paint. You can take some paint and hold it up to your area and get your pattern that way. But we're going to go from this to this. And we're going to show you how to do it coming up. Today in This Guy's Garage, we're going to show you how to make a patch repair using a block of wood, a hammer, a chisel. So now that we got our pattern, let's get to work. So I'm going to be putting the shape of this in with a chisel and a hammer. But I'm marking out my pattern with masking tape, so I have lines to work off of. I want to keep things straight and true and curved if they need to be. Chisel and a hammer. So here I'm just giving a tap with the chisel right along the line, and this will allow me to fold my metal around when I trim the patch down. And I'm just gently hitting it. Go right up to the edge. My patch is oversized to begin with, but I'll be trimming it down as I'm going along. I just want to make it big enough to cover the hole that I'm going to be patching. Go back and forth between your car after you each check. You just want to check your pattern, make sure everything is true. All right. We know the line or the fold is 1.5 inches. Using 2 pieces of 3/4 inch masking tape will give me 1.5 inches. And do this before you ever cut any of your rusted metal out. All right. Just setting my second line here. You don't have to hit it hard. Let the chisel do the work. Just the chisel and a block of wood. And you can see the shape of the fender is set into the piece of tin. Check and make sure it fits. Get ready to start trimming the excess away. Set in the other line just in case I need it. I put a cut on each turn. And where I set the lines, it just allows the tin to turn. Keep everything straight and true. And that metal just wants to turn where the chisel hit it. I'm using a dolly, but any piece of any metal that you have will work. If you have an anvil, that will work just fine too. Probably work better. Right now I'm just setting the convex curve. Just has a natural roll to it. Trim it down. Get it close to the size that you want to. Better to start out with too much and not need it than not have a big enough patch to start with. Most important thing is to make that patch fit before you ever put it on the car. Trim back some more. Just massaging that metal around to take the shape because it's a gradual radius curve. Trick is to be patient. Take your time, build that radius in. Taking all that time to shape the patch will mean I'll have a much easier time when it comes to finishing it, because I can keep the area small. I still want to do a touch-up repair on this area, so that's going to fit good. So in the next episode, we'll be welding this patch on. We'll show you how to do it. We'll give you some alternative methods to accomplish this repair if you don't have a welder. And as always, thanks again for stopping by this guy's garage. If this video series helped you out some, you can help us right back by hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Give us a big thumbs up, that really helps out. Leave your comments and questions down below. We answer everyone. And until the next time, folks, this guy out.
This guy's garage. Like and subscribe.